Thank you for joining me today. My name is Stacy and this is Stacy Lee Beauty, and we are back for another installment of organizing my makeup collection. So today is going to be the single shadows and also liquid shadows. This is my bucket of singles, but I thought I'd start with kind of my sticks and cream, kind of the Stila. I'm drawing a blank. The Stila liquid eyeshadows. Yes. So sticks and liquid eyeshadow type things and some glitteries is where I thought that we would start. Here is kind of the eyeshadow sticks that I have. This is Essence 2-in-1 eyeshadow and liner. And I kind of actually forgot about this, to be honest. Whoa, that is pretty. Huh. Yeah, I totally forgot. That is why I'm doing this. This color is I'm Blue. So, yeah, nice. This is LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. This was from the dollar store, $1. And the color is Summer Love. Oh, there is a batch code. Good. I'm going to put this in the bucket because I think this has got to be like a year old. But I like it. It's got some shimmer to it. Doesn't smell, but I probably should look up that batch code and make sure that is still okay. This is Sephora matte waterproof. Where's the color? Oh, Cafe Latte. That's nice. I totally forgot about that too. I don't know how long cream sticks last. Does anyone know? I'll have to look that up. But yeah, there's a batch code there. That's pretty. I totally forgot about that one too. These are the Nyx Jumbo Eye Pencils. I bought these when I was doing the Nyx video, and they got a lot of good reviews. I haven't used them all that much though, I will say. I wasn't like blown away with them the first time I used them. But I think I do need to use them, obviously, again. But, yeah, I need to challenge myself to create a look with this white one. Here we have e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick. I've said it before in my other videos, but if you would like on any of these kind of makeup organization declutters, if you would like to see any comparison type things, let me know. So this one, the color is Perfect Pearl. Yeah, that's really pretty. I need to use my shadow sticks more. And these, I don't know if I've tried. So this is Clinique. I don't think I've tried this one. This is Lots O Latte. Yeah, I haven't tried. I don't know if I need it with these. Let me set this aside. This is, what color do we have here? 04 Amber. I haven't tried that one either. Yeah, these I'm going to set aside just during the video, and by the end of it, after I see more of what I have, I'll either keep them or not. Then we have Lancome. This is number 28, Rubus. That color I have not tried, so I will keep it, but I'm not going to swatch it just in case I don't end up using it. Like Christmas, going through these and remembering like, oh yeah, I have that to try. It's fun. This is e.l.f. obviously, and whatever color that is. I think this was part of a kit, if I remember right. That's pretty. And I did do a video comparing the Stila liquid ones. I think I compared it to all of them except the CoverGirl. That is a fairly new one, and probably the Revlon, but I did compare these, so I'll link that video down below because I did find some dupes for that. Now this one, I did a video on this, and I usually love Revolution items. This one was a little, for me, it's Flawless Foils. Let's see if I remember right. There's the directions. They don't say on here. But I think you were supposed to add this, yeah, this is the primer, and then you put this on, and it was okay, but I just felt like it was a little bit, quite a bit of, not a lot of work, but some work just to see any payoff. I didn't really feel like the primer did that much, if I remember right. I'll have to go watch that video, but this was okay. It kind of looks a little weird. I'm thinking that that probably is something rebound that doesn't last all that long looking at it. So I probably should decide what I want to do with that. I feel like my blushes and other ones were a little bit easier to declutter. I feel like this is going to be a little challenging, the eyeshadows. This is LA Color Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow with brush. Now, loose eyeshadows, I haven't really played around with all that much. And I think my first impression on this one was I wasn't real impressed. But I didn't at that time, I don't think I had like a glitter glue or any kind of primer. So I'm going to set this in the bucket to use it with a primer and see if I like it. And if not, that will be decluttered. This is Sigma Loose Shimmer and Glitter. I might have used these maybe once. This is really showing me that I need to do a lot more Shop My Stashes. Let me know down below if you would like to see some Shop My Stash videos. Yeah, I definitely need to use these, try these out for sure. I'll try to do a look with that, and maybe I'll do a like at-home festival look, since we can't really leave and go to festivals right now, just to do our own festival at home. This one I have not opened yet, CoverGirl, and this is a liquid eyeshadow. I'm curious to see if this is going to be close to the Stila ones, but haven't tried that yet. This one I need to play around with some more. It's supposed to, you know, make it more shimmery, your eyeshadow. And yeah, glide on with eyelid. I can't remember if I tried this one or not yet. So we're going to put that in the bucket to try soon. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on that, or maybe I could do like an e.l.f. full face and use it. Let me know what you think. If you'd like an e.l.f. full face video where I use that. These two, so this is their Molten Liquid Eyeshadow. And I'm pretty sure this was the one that I bought on full price, and then this one was on clearance. And yeah, look how it came. So I don't know if I just got a bad one, or if you have to be cautious when you're getting them on clearance when they're liquid. I mean, it still looks good. I did have one, and now I'm drawing a blank of what color. I threw it away because it was like dried out right away. But so just as a caution, you know, when you're buying stuff on clearance, that sometimes liquid, you might, you know, not get the full thing, or because yeah, it's the same product, just different colors. But as you can see, this was regular price and this one was clearance, but they are very pretty. This was the Soft Beige Smooth Matte Eyeshadow. Did have an Ulta Beauty brand that was kind of like this, a cream shadow like this, but it had such a bad smell that I think I used it once or twice and then I threw it away because it just, I don't know, it just was bad. That looks a lot different. Well, no, I guess it's about the same. I don't know if I've really tried that one that much. This I got at the dollar store. Yeah, I wouldn't even buy this again for $1. But I got it when I was wanting to try to find dupes for the Stila eyeshadow. I mean, it's okay, but I just feel like there's other options out there that is better than this one. Because, although that looks nice, but if I remember right, well, the blue especially, you had to really build it up. And I mean, they were okay. I shouldn't say, I guess it was worth $1. Now that I'm looking at it, maybe I'm taking that back, because that pink is kind of pretty. But that one, I feel like on my eyes, I had to really build it up to get coverage. So yeah, I'm sticking with it. I wouldn't buy this again. This was Sinful Colors. I think that the Revlon, granted they're not $1 and that was $1, but these Revlon Photoready art is better than that one. Yeah, these I like. So Revlon Photoready, this was, now I try to only buy cruelty-free, but this was before I was really paying attention to that. And so you have kind of your metallic on one end, and then glitter on the other. And as you can see, the glitter dofa is like a nail polish. Very pretty. Here's the purple. Ooh, that's so pretty. Yeah, so this dofa on the metallic side is similar to that of the, normal liquid eyeshadows, more like your Stila, not exactly like Stila, but more like that. And then the glitter is more like a nail polish. So you can do like a topper if you wanted. Use that. So pretty. So then we have the Stila. I'm not going to swatch all these, but I mean, I know there's only 6, but still. I did do a whole video where I swatched these and talked about them and talked about Stila brand. They are made in the US and I just really, really like these. I do need to start using these up though, for sure, because I know that they don't last forever and I've had these quite a while. So I'll link the video down below where I swatched these and also the dupe video so you can see them swatched. And yeah, I really need to start using those because they're too pricey to let them go to waste. These I have not opened yet, so I'm not going to swatch them either because like I said, I don't want to open them until I'm ready. But these are more Stila. Obviously this one I got on sale. So Lilac Legend, Nude Awakening, and look at how pretty that green color looks. I totally need to use these. I'm so excited. I love these. And so yeah, the other ones, you can get dupes for them, like where's my LA Colors here? I think I had an LA Colors. I was thinking of a liquid eyeshadow that was pretty good. You just have to build them up a little bit more to get the same consistency and coverage as the Stila. But for the price difference, the e.l.f. and the Revlon and LA Colors, you can build them up to get kind of that same look. But yeah, I love Stila. So here is my collection for the liquid eyeshadows. I did not declutter anything. I decided to keep the Cliniques and see this next coming months if I use them how I do on this. But I just love how all of them look. They're so pretty. So I didn't declutter anything, but at least I kind of refreshed my mind on what I have and really need to focus on using some of these. And I didn't even know, I was trying to decide which ones I put in the bucket to use up, but I just like them all. So I'm just going to try to remind myself to use up some of my liquid eyeshadows. So here is that collection. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'd love to know down below. I'm always curious. Like sometimes I keep the packaging and sometimes I don't. Do you keep your items in your package or do you just throw away the package? I'm just curious. So yes, here is my liquid eyeshadows and need to be doing some videos with these for sure. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you back here on Wednesday. Bye.